Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Kiki. In today's video, I will be doing an unboxing of my Munbyn thermal printing machine. So if you guys would like to see how I got these pretty labels and how to set up your thermal printing machine, continue watching. If you haven't already, please be sure to subscribe to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up. You already know, like, comment, and subscribe. But let's get into the setup. These are the things that come in the box. Of course, it comes with the power adapter, the USB that you're going to put into the computer. It also comes with a USB drive, which I'm not going to be using today. This is my pretty pink thermal printer. I did not want the white one, so I got this one. This is how you're going to plug in the adapter. It's real easy. It's not hard to set up. It's actually common sense on how to plug in the plugs. You know, put it in the outlet, plug it into your computer. Quick and easy, probably doesn't even take 5 minutes. So yeah, as you can see, I'm showing you how I plugged it into the outlet. Well, yeah, the outlet. And then I'm gonna show you guys how to put the paper in. I'm actually using the rolling paper to make stickers. So yeah, you're gonna adjust it to the size of the sticker labels, and then you to adjust the shipping label size. So it's real easy to do. So once I have that all put in, I'm gonna show you how to download everything to your computer. So just watch what I'm doing, and yeah, do the same. And I'm actually on a MacBook, so I'm going to download the software, and then I will be able to use my printer. All right, so now I'm going to pull up my sticker. I actually made this sticker on Canva. I will have a video coming real soon showing you guys how I made this sticker. Now you're going to go to the printer and you're going to go to your preferences, right? And remember, these sticker labels are 2.25 times 1.25. So you have to make sure you adjust your paper size to that, just like I'm doing here. And then you're going to put how many copies you want, print, and voila, there go your stickers, girl. And you print out as many as you want. The thermal printer only prints black ink, but you can switch up the stickers because I have the white stickers and the pink stickers, but you could get any color sticker. So this is how I set up my Munbyn printing machine. This is how I did my stickers. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it was helpful. Be sure to check out that website real soon. So yes, guys, be sure to subscribe to my channel.